Workstation 3 here is a complicated process. I want to tell you about it a little bit. You have two elements of work. One is called cycle time, which means the time it takes you to repeat the sequence of work. The other one is called changeover time, C/O, changeover time. So important we understand what changeover time is, and you have a sequence for changeover time. Now I'm going to describe what that sequence is, and you will also most likely get it when I go through the simulation for that area, okay? I'm going to run a simulation for each of the workstations, so expect that. But here's the changeover time. You go to workstation 3. Oh, here's my avatar. The changeover time is as follows. You do a blue plane, and you'll know what that means, and you'll check it against the fixture. But when the white plane comes, you need to unlock this fixture, because that's the blue one. You can drag it here and zoom out, and now you need to bring it where the blue table right here and switch it with the white fixture. Highlight both. Okay, I'm going to move the blue one in place, and now I'm going to take the white one, and as I make my way, I'm not very good at this. I'm new. You might find better ways to do things. There's the white airplane fixture, and before you can measure, you got to lock this down. It needs to be stable. So lock it in the area. Good. That's what I mean by changeover time. Engineer number 1, closest to workstation 1, you need to measure how long it took for workstation 3 to change the fixture from blue to white, because that's called changeover time. How many seconds did it take? I'm going to ask the question later.